sound on, wait for it, and boom, this guy tries to light his car on fire. You know, you can't reason with ridiculous, you can't reason with evil. There's just the reality of evil. There's no why did he do that, there's no I can't believe he did that. It's just get into action as soon as possible. Boom, what's up you guys? Byron Rodgers, tactical protection reviewer and protection strategies from a protection professional. What can we learn from this so we can avoid something like this? This is an older video, but I get videos like this all the time. Attackers looking for targets of opportunity in transitional spaces. This is where the game is often fought, right? I talk about my ABCs of protection, tactical position, context, tactical positioning, rolling risk assessment. First and foremost, how could this be avoided? Context, where are you? You're in a transitional space. What does that mean? The probability of being attacked is higher. 80% of attacks happen in transitional spaces, right? So here we are, we're in the gas station. We're going from work to home or anywhere. Anytime you're in a gas station, you're in a transitional space. Pay attention, eyes up, and make sure you know what's going on around you. Unfortunately, the guy who gets attacked in this video seems to have his awareness in this direction somewhere and does not even see our bad guy walking up to his car, even though his family is in the car or someone he cares about, someone he's giving a ride to. So boom, bad guy walks up. Our good guy just now sees the bad guy. Takes him a few seconds. We're at 2 seconds. The bad guy pulls that thing out, pulls that gas out, lights it on fire, walks off. This all happened in 5 seconds, the car's already on fire. 3 seconds, like 4 seconds, boom, the car goes up in flames. You know, what can you do to avoid something like this? First and foremost, understand the context of where you're at. Where are you? You're in a transitional space. Second of all, tactical positioning, right? These things apply to almost every force encounter you see on here. Tactical positioning, where should our good guy be standing by now? If you've been watching over 100 of these videos that I've produced, they're free. Hit the link in my bio. Go to my YouTube channel. You'll see them. They're one of my playlists on my channel. And force your family to watch them so that everyone can become safer and have a safer pattern of life, right? So, good guy standing over here. Personally, I think when you're at gas stations, it's good to stand next to your car. Requires people to come from the front if they're going to attack you, right? So context, tactical positioning, rolling risk assessment. When you see someone in your environment that is making a move towards you or does not have an alibi that is in alignment with the baseline of that environment, that's the guy you've got to pay attention to. This guy here, we can't see what he's doing before this, but we do see he's just walking up. If you had tactical positioning and you were in that place that I mentioned, you right here, looking out this way and looking over your car this way, you could address him here before he sets your car on fire. And the last consideration is, what do you have in your vehicle to help put out a fire if you come across a vehicle? We've probably all seen it, a car on fire on the side of the road. Your vehicle can catch on fire. I highly suggest you have in your second line gear the stuff in your vehicle, medical equipment, and something to put out the fire, portable fire extinguishers, all that stuff. Let's make the world a safer place by helping good people become more willing, capable, and prepared. Visit me at the link underneath this video. Turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. Send this video to your families because most of them use gas stations unless they got a Tesla, right? Which a lot of us do now, but gas stations, we still go to gas stations, and we're always in transitional spaces. I'll see you guys out there training with us. Go to protectornation.com. Come train with us at a Protector Symposium. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next free piece of content. This is Byron Rodgers, protector by nature and by trade. Out. Boom!